Okay, I got a call on this little fridge. They want to get a price on why it's not working. It seems like it's low on charge. I got the condensing unit pulled out. There's a tap on it. We'll get a gauge on there and see if there's any gas in it. If not, we'll pressurize it and see if we can find where it's leaking. Okay, I went ahead and pumped it up to like over 350. And got the soapy bubbles on the evap. It's where they always leak. Yeah, it's pretty. You can see where it's bubbling. Leaker. So that's where it's leaking. What have we got here? Beverage here. Okay. So the customer doesn't want to buy new coil. He wants me to try and patch up that little end. And I'm just going to gob it up with some solder and see if it'll seal for him. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I got the hacking and mowing in there and welded that up like that. I just flowed a bunch of solder over it. And let's see. Get the flashlight on there. I'm on iPhone. There you go. Seems to be holding. There's no other leaks. The other side was fine. The customer didn't want to change the coil out in this old fridge, but he did say try and fix it if I could. I told him I'd give it a try. If it didn't work, then I'd only charge him the minimums. But right now it's holding. Alright, where are we at? Just over 300. We'll let it sit there, see how it does. I don't see anything bubbling, so we'll see if it holds pressure. Yeah, that's a bunch of cilantro right there. They're probably going to chop up into some salsa or something. Alright, it's been about a good 20 minutes. We're still good there. So that's patched up, and this is where refrigeration becomes a little different than air conditioning. A lot of refrigeration guys do mom and pop places like I'm doing right now, and they just sometimes just don't have money. They know it's 10 years old, they know it needs to go away, but let's try and make it last for 6 more months. That's what you got to do sometimes, and that's what we're doing right here. So I'll get this thing going here.